If your iPhone says unavailable and your stress level is at "oh no," you're definitely not alone. Grab a snack, take a breath, let's get you back in. First things first, if you just typed your passcode wrong a few times, but you still remember it, just wait for the 1-hour timer. Once that's up, carefully enter your passcode again. But don't keep guessing. 10 wrong tries, and your iPhone will need a full reset. Pause, light chuckle. Forgot your passcode, or just can't wait? If your iPhone runs iOS 15.2 or later, tap Erase iPhone on the lock screen. Enter your Apple ID password, and your phone will erase itself, letting you start fresh. No erase option? Grab your computer, put your iPhone in recovery mode by holding the right button, then click Restore in iTunes or Finder. Or if you've got Find My enabled, go to iCloud.com, find, and erase your iPhone remotely. Remember, these last fixes erase your data, so restore from a backup if you can. Still stuck? Drop your question in the comments.